Hello everyone. Good morning. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and taking good care of your health. My name is Mehta and today we are going to have our art and craft class. And the name of the activity which we are going to do today is snake pattern. Have you seen a snake? A snake is a reptile which does not have legs, but it can move from one place to another by crawling. A snake has a long and flexible body. Snakes are meat eaters. Today we are going to make pattern snake like this. For this activity you will need one art sheet, sketch pens, one pencil, one scissor and some crayons. First we will take art sheet and pencil and we will make a big spiral with pencil, okay? And then close the head like this. Then make eye and tongue of the snake like this. Now trace the snake with black sketch pen. Now draw lines to divide the snake into sections. Draw as many different designs and patterns as you can with different color sketch pens on the snake. We are done with different patterns and design. Now we will fill these sections with various colors. Now take scissor and cut the snake in spiral shape. Parents, please help your child in this part of the activity. Our pattern snake is ready. I hope you enjoyed today's activity. Do try at your home. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you. Take care. Bye.